Hi guys, so today I wanted to review a Mario Badescu facial spray, and this is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. If you're new to my channel, I also have reviewed the other Mario Badescu, the one that is rose water, and you guys seem to like it a lot. So yeah, this is a review for sensitive, oily, acne-prone skin. If you have sensitive skin, this is a review for you. That is my skin type, and this works wonders. I definitely recommend this. This is a $5. This is like the travel size. You can also get it in the bigger size. I believe the bigger one is $12, but this is a 2 ounce and it retails for $5. You could find this at Ulta. You could find it in Nordstrom. I've seen it as well, or marybadescu.com. So I definitely love this, and I will tell you what this does for you. So it says how to use: mist onto face and neck as needed. Use before moisturizer throughout the day or as final step following makeup application. So I definitely love this. Just like the rose water one, this can be applied anytime during the day for like a pick-me-up if you're feeling like you're cakey, or this could be used like as a setting spray as well. And this is good for all skin types. This is what I love Mario Badescu, because they always tell you what kind, like what skin type the product is good for. So this is all skin types. Now they have 3 facial sprays. The ones I recommend for oily, acne prone skin, if you have sensitive skin, is definitely this one, which is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, or green tea, or the rose water. Now they did come out with a purple one recently, is their newest one, and that is aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Now that one is not oil free. I definitely, me personally, just myself, I would definitely stay away from that. I wouldn't even want to try. So I definitely love this spray. Let's say like your face is really red, it hurts, you have active acne. This is really good, and it definitely has like a calming effect. It feels really nice, and you get like a refreshing, the scent is really nice too. It's nothing strong, but it smells like refreshing and calming. And cucumber is really good for you, green tea is really good for you. All their ingredients is really good. And like I said, I like to use this like when I'm leaving the gym. I like to put some of this on before I apply my makeup, like before I do anything. I love to apply this. And don't forget your neck as well. Your neck is really important. And it's just great, like you're putting antioxidants on your skin. This one is antioxidants, which is really good for you. So I'll spray some on just so you can see how it comes out. It's really nice. If you want to put it like as a setting spray, it does not mess up your makeup at all. You could put this anytime during the day. That is what I love. It's not just like a setting spray, it's a refreshing spray. Anything that you would like is really good, especially like in the summertime. If you want to keep this like in the fridge so it feels more refreshing and cooling, that would be so good, and it feels amazing. I definitely recommend that. So let me spray some on. So, oh my god, the smell, it just smells so nice. It's really nice, guys. So maybe you don't like the rose water, go ahead and try these. I like to use both, and I just alternate them in the days. I just like to use back and forth because I love them both. And this is like the perfect size. I always buy these small ones like that way you could like keep it in your purse. So it's really good for traveling as well. So the bigger size is a 8 ounce, and it's $12. So it's definitely not an expensive like product at all. It's really good. Definitely highly recommended. It has not broken me out whatsoever. My skin looks good. It didn't mess up my makeup. It's not like heavy spritz. It's just like the perfect amount comes out, and you'll feel so good. So definitely recommend this. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. That way you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.